What's up, guys? Welcome to the channel. I gotta stop saying welcome back because a lot of you guys are new here, and when I say welcome back, it's like it's my first time here. If you guys are new here, I have a 2008 Honda Civic Si, which I am currently modding at the moment. I just got a daily 2010 LX Civic, I believe, so a couple projects. Today's video, we're gonna be going to O'Reilly's. I gotta pick up some things. There is a huge Honda meet going on tomorrow, so I will be trying to see if I can make it out there. What's going on, man? So we are back just to show you a couple things that I got here. For the rear end, you want to use some type of painter's tape whenever you're dealing with any type of paint or plastics. This is first line of defense. The plastics, I've had a lot of people say that this works really well, so we're gonna try that out right now. To finish it off, I'm gonna use Turtle Wax hard shell finish, which I have used this product in the past before, mainly for like my carbon fiber parts. So I did have a carbon fiber trunk and carbon fiber hood for my FG4. So this actually really helped a lot. And last but not least, the LEDs from Super Bright LED. I'll leave their description down below. I'm not sponsored by them or anything, but the bulbs are super small, so they do clear the housing. So just to show you what I'm working with, I'm gonna show you guys how rough the plastic is. It has seen some winter, so I'll show you guys right now. Okay, it took a little longer than expected, but got the tail light pretty much masked off. There is no paint around the edges, so it is safe to go ahead and start the process. It's all finished up, looks a ton better. Like I said, there are some scratches that are still there, but for the most part, the tail lights definitely do look a lot better and definitely a lot more clear than the ones over here. So these are the ones that haven't been done. As you can see, it is not as clear as these, and I will hit this with the Turtle Wax so that way it could protect it. All right, so just applied the Carnauba wax. You just want to let that sit for about 10-15 minutes, let it kind of haze up, and once it's around that time, you can go ahead and buff off. Tail lights look really, really good. I'm probably gonna bring it out into the sun and just shoot a couple cinematic shots for you guys. Go ahead and take off this cover here, and we're gonna go ahead and try to install the license plate bulbs. And I got this from superbrightled.com, so definitely check them out. Shipping was pretty quick, and they also went ahead and gave me a sticker, which is kind of cool. So shout out to them, really appreciate it, guys. And yeah, let's continue this install.
Holy Jesus, what is that?
All right, so I kind of want to show you guys what the bulb looks like. So you're gonna have these push clips on the side. You're just gonna push them together and it should just come right out. And this is the bulb here. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace it right now. And I believe I got, yeah, 6,000 K. So it's gonna be more white and should make everything look a lot more clean versus the yellow. So yeah, just real quick, you just take the old bulb out. Careful not to squeeze too hard. And go ahead and put in the new LED. Now, I'm pretty sure these are polarized, so before you plug it in, just make sure that they are put in correct. So I'm gonna go ahead and plug it back in. Try to do this one-handed here, bear with me. Flip this around. So I got that plugged in. And just for demonstration purposes to show you how bright it is, I'm gonna go ahead and take out the other one so you guys can see stock versus LED. Okay, so as you can see, here is your LED and here is your stock bulb. Now, a lot of people don't really like how bright it is, but in my opinion, it just makes the back of the car look a lot more pleasing to the eye. Again, some people like the yellow, some people like the LEDs. To be honest, it's just really preference at this point. Just make sure they work before you reinstall the lights and you are good to go. Everything is looking good for the most part. Next issue I want to address is that my exhaust gets really black. I'm probably gonna go ahead and clean that up, bring it back in the shade, and fix that up a little bit. Real quick, I just wanted to show you guys something. So if you guys didn't watch my daily video, which I just picked up, definitely check that out. But here's the trim that I took off of it, and it looks a ton better without the exposed clips. And I'm actually gonna try and restore this plastic here. So probably just use some type of plastic restore right now. That way it'll look all complete. Whew, that took quite a minute, guys. Anyways, if you guys need any chrome cleaner, definitely check out Mother's All Chrome. I've used this on so many things, not just like car parts or whatever, but definitely works. As you can see, definitely restored the shine. So now from the back, looks a lot more pleasing, more clean. And shout out to NVIDIA though. I love this exhaust. Definitely one of the better sounding exhausts and better looking in my opinion. I'll go ahead and insert a sound clip right here. All right, and pretty much done with the rear from what I can do right now. Last thing I'm gonna do is restore the trim. So that is this trim that I took from the LX. And by the way, this trim is around $300. So if you're wondering why I didn't get a new one, well, yeah, let's get to it. So I got a little carried away with the trim restore. Definitely looks a lot cleaner, seamless, and somewhat new, kind of. Thank you guys for making it to the end of the video. 900 subs, which I think I'm like 2 or 3 subs away. So help me get to 900. And like I said, for the giveaway, I will be doing something a little bit different for you guys. I will be including Amazon gift card codes in videos after I hit 900. So be sure to hit the post notification button and subscribe so that way, once I post a video and it goes live, you guys will be the first to win Amazon gift cards. Now, I'm not gonna say how many and I'm not gonna say the amount. You guys will just have to pay attention in the videos because I will sneak them in there. If you guys liked the video, give it a thumbs up. If you guys disliked it, give it a thumbs down. At the end of the day, a dislike is still a like. Peace out.